Soak the sticky rice in warm water for 1.5 hours. Then, put the rice in the microwavable Tupperware. I'm using microwavable rice cooker. Rinse of the rice one more time. Drain of the water, but keep some enough to cover the rice. Put on the lid, then microwave first round for 3 minutes. For this video, I soaked 4 cups of rice, but I am using 2 cups for cooking in microwave. Another 2 cups for another video. Please follow me for my next video. After first 3 minutes are done, you will need to stir the rice, then put it back in the microwave for 2 more minutes.